दोस्तों आप सुन रहे हैं एग्री प्रेप डेली चैलेंज रिव्यू। क्वेश्चन 1, what specific compound found in onion and garlic is noted for its ability to protect against cancer and heart disease?
Okay.
Options: A, vitamin E, B, quercetin, C, allyl propyl disulfide, D, folic acid, E, diel disulfide.
Right.
Correct answer: quercetin, specific compound found in onion and garlic, is noted for its ability to protect against cancer and heart disease.
Question 2. Which of the following vegetables is classified as a non-climacteric fruit, meaning it does not continue to ripen after being harvested? Options: A, tomato, B, bitter gourd, C, pumpkin, D, muskmelon, E, cucumber.
Okay.
Correct answer: cucumber is classified as a non-climacteric fruit, meaning it does not continue to ripen after being harvested.
Question 3. The characteristic flavor of garlic is attributed to which sulfur-based compound? Options: A, isothiocyanate, B, solasodine, C, diel disulfide, D, capsaicin, E, allyl propyl disulfide.
Okay.
Correct answer: the characteristic flavor of garlic is attributed to diel disulfide.
Question 4. The variety Pusa Parvati is unique because it is a mutant variety.
Right.
Options: A, French bean, B, ridge gourd, C, sweet potato, D, cucumber, E, bitter gourd. Correct answer: variety Pusa Parvati is unique because it is a mutant variety of French bean.
Okay. Question 5. The variety Satputia is unique among ridge gourds because it exhibits which sexual form? Options: A, andromonaceous, B, hermaphrodite, C, dioecious, D, gynoecious, E, monoecious.
Right.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. The variety Satputia is unique among ridge gourds because it exhibits hermaphrodite nature.
Okay.
Question 6. According to the life cycle classification, which of these vegetables is considered a biennial? Options: A, tomato, B, okra, C, cabbage, D, pointed gourd, E, brinjal.
Right.
Correct answer: according to the life cycle classification, cabbage is considered a biennial.
Question 7. How is the potato Solanum tuberosum classified from a flowering point of view regarding its photo period?
Okay.
Options: A, long day vegetable, B, amphiphilic vegetable, C, short day vegetable, D, day neutral vegetable, E, intermediate vegetable. Correct answer: the potato Solanum tuberosum classified as a long day vegetable from a flowering point of view regarding its photo period.
Right.
Problems.
Question 8. Which of the following is classified as a short day vegetable based on photo period? Options: A, cowpea, B, cabbage, C, palak, D, tomato, E, cluster bean.
Okay.
Correct answer: cluster beans is classified as a short day vegetable based on photo period.
Question 9. Which of the following vegetables is unique for having the flower bud as its primary edible part?
Right.
Options: A, cabbage, B, broccoli, C, turnip, D, Brussels sprouts, E, cauliflower. Correct answer: broccoli is unique for having the flower bud as its primary edible part.
Okay.
Question 10. The varieties POBG1, Pusa Manjari and Pusa Magdoot are all associated with which gourd? Options: A, ridge gourd, B, sponge gourd, C, bitter gourd, D, bottle gourd, E, snake gourd.
Right. Correct answer. The varieties PBOG1, Pusa Manjari and Pusa Magdoot are all associated with bottle gourd.
Question 11. Based on the life cycle, which of these vegetables is classified as perennial?
Okay.
Options: A, onion, B, carrot, C, sweet potato, D, radish, E, cauliflower. Correct answer: based on the life cycle, sweet potato is classified as perennial.
Right.
Question 12. Which specific mineral is highlighted as the major mineral present in both fruits and vegetables? Options: A, magnesium, B. Iron, C. Potassium, D. Calcium, E. Zinc.
Okay.
Correct answer. Potassium specific mineral is highlighted as the major mineral present in both fruits and vegetables.
Question 13. What is the specific percentage of the total cropped area in India occupied by vegetable crops?
Right.
Options: A. 13.38%, B. 5.5%, C. 10.0%, D. 2.8%, E. 1.2%. Indian state is distinguished for having the maximum production of vegetables. Options: A. Uttar Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Punjab, D. Tamil Nadu, E. Maharashtra.
Right.
Correct answer. West Bengal is distinguished for having the maximum production of vegetables.
Question 15. In the context of vegetable cultivation methods, how is the truck garden method characterized compared to market garden?
Okay.
Options: A. Hydroponic method, B. Indoor method, C. Subsistence method, D. Very extensive method, E. Very intensive method. Correct answer. In the context of vegetable cultivation methods, the truck garden method characterized as very extensive method as compared to market garden.
ये थे आज के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। अगर आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं तो agriprep.in पर विजिट करें और डेली चैलेंज जरूर अटेम्प्ट करें। रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से आप अपने प्रिपरेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं।